You've seen those flawless AI visuals online, the kind that look like real photo shoots, right? What if I told you that you could create those same results in seconds without Photoshop and without spending hours fixing every tiny detail? Because let's be honest, if you've ever tried editing photos or generating AI visuals, you know the pain. The lighting's off, the face doesn't match, the outfit looks weird. We've all been there. Hi, I'm Lily Genn. I'm a professional IT and business consultant who helps make advanced tech, especially AI, simple and useful. I work with companies to automate and optimize their processes. And I also help creators and individuals use AI tools to level up their projects. And today we're testing one of the most advanced AI tools out there, Nano Banana. It's powerful, fast, and honestly, it fixes so many of the frustrating problems creators face every single day. So, what exactly makes Nano Banana so different? Think of it as your creative sidekick, one that actually gets what you're trying to do. Ever wanted to swap something in your photo, like turn your coffee cup into a product you're promoting and make it look totally real? Or maybe you want your AI influencer to hold something new without breaking the realism of the shot? What about changing the weather, turning day into golden hour, or adding that cinematic night glow, all with one simple prompt? Here's where it gets wild. Nano Banana doesn't just edit, it rebuilds. You can change the camera angle, zoom in closer, or completely redesign the background, and it still keeps your same face, same look, and same style. Whether you're a UGC creator, a content influencer, or just someone who loves experimenting with visuals, Nano Banana makes your ideas look like they came straight from a pro studio. It's not perfect, but it's pushing the limits of what AI visuals can do right now. All right, now let's actually jump in and see how it works, because watching Nano Banana in action is the fun part. The best thing? You don't need to download anything. Just open Gemini, sign in with your Google account, and you're already connected. You'll notice a tiny banana icon right in the toolbar. That's your magic button. Banana, you can click it to switch to image mode, or just type a natural prompt like replace the outfit or change the background. The tool automatically activates the moment it senses you want to edit or generate an image. Then upload your photo, describe what you want, and in seconds, Nano Banana gives you a brand new version. Same face, same vibe, just better. It feels almost unreal the first time you see it work. And if you're a power user, you can take it even further using Google AI Studio or the Gemini API. That's where you can automate edits, create workflows, or generate multiple image variations for clients or campaigns. But honestly, for most creators, the built-in Gemini version is all you'll ever need. It's simple, fast, and it honestly feels like magic. Now for the fun part. Let's see what Nano Banana can actually do in real time. I'm using one of my AI influencers that I created with another AI tool, Hey Jen. She has that modern Los Angeles vibe, confident, stylish, and totally brand ready. You can use the same approach for UGC campaigns, social media visuals, or even creative ads. If you're curious about how I actually made her, check out my other video. I'll show it here on the screen. All right, let's start transforming. First, I asked Nano Banana to remove her blazer. Clean, fast, and natural, it honestly looked like a real photo shoot retouch. Then I added an elegant satin blouse, instantly giving her a more classy and professional style. Next, I decided to change the entire location. With one prompt, Nano Banana moved her from a cozy home interior to a beautiful restaurant. Then I made her sit gracefully at the table, maintaining the same natural pose and expression. To bring the scene to life, I asked Nano Banana to add a plate of food. Simple prompt, instant realism. And I didn't stop there. I filled the restaurant with people in the background, creating that lively, authentic atmosphere of a real photo shoot. Now here's where it gets impressive. I told Nano Banana to make the restaurant floor reflective, and it generated perfect mirror reflections of every person and object, pure detail perfection. Then I switched the time of day. It's now evening, the lights softened, and Nano Banana even added candles for that warm dinner glow. Finally, we are back in her apartment, and I wanted to create a UGC-style shot. So I asked Nano Banana to make her hold a Coke bottle and in seconds, done. The lighting, the hand position, the grip, all looked completely natural. And this is exactly where NanoBanana shines. It keeps perfect facial consistency, skin texture, and overall realism no matter what you change. It's like having your own digital photographer that never gets tired. So now you've seen how quick, simple, and realistic NanoBanana really is. You don't need hours of editing, layers, or expensive software. Everything happens in seconds, and the results look like professional studio photos. And what impresses me most is consistency. Every image keeps the same face, the same details, and the same overall vibe, no matter how many transformations you make. That's a game changer for anyone building an AI influencer, running UGC campaigns, or just creating high-end visuals on their own. But this is only the beginning. In my next video, I'm taking NanoBanana to the next level, creating dynamic scenes, cinematic lighting transitions, and even storytelling sequences that feel like mini movies. So if you want to see how far this tool can really go, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss that. And if you're curious about how I actually create and bring to life AI influencers with perfect lip syncs, consistent faces, and natural human-like movement, check out the videos right here on the screen. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Lily Gen, and I'll see you in the next one.